The new covenant is written in blood. In the upper room, Jesus gave us the bread of his body and the cup of his life, inviting us into a fellowship that even death cannot destroy. He walks with us in our disappointment. On the Emmaus road, Jesus opened the scriptures to show that every prophecy and every promise was always about him, the risen King. In the beginning was the Word. The light that created the stars stepped into the dust of our world to dwell among us, full of grace and truth, making the Father known to all. The King of Glory honors a simple wedding. By turning water into wine, Jesus reveals that his kingdom is one of abundance, joy, and the transformation of the ordinary into the divine. Religion isn't enough. You must be born from above. The Spirit blows where he wills, transforming our dead hearts into living witnesses of the kingdom through the power of the Son. Stop thirsting for things that run dry. Jesus offers living water that becomes a spring in your soul, welling up to eternal life and satisfying the hunger that the world cannot reach.
Sir, give me this water.
In the hands of the Word, a small lunch feeds a multitude. He is the bread of life come down from heaven, the only one who can truly satisfy the deep hunger of the human heart. When the crowds walk away, where will you stand? Peter knew the truth. There is nowhere else to go. For only Jesus has the words of eternal life that lead us safely to the Father.